How to check recent activity on Android phone. In this video, I will show you the quick way to check the recent activities on your Android device. Without any must ado, let's dive into the video. Before that, make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, we'll learn how to do it. First of all, you have to go ahead and open the settings on your Android phone. Here at the top, you will see the search bar. Tap on it and then type in data. When you scroll down, you have to search for data and privacy. If you don't find in this way, you can again search for data and privacy option. When you scroll down, you can easily find out data and privacy. Tap on it. Then you have to select your Google account and thus you will reach on this section. When you scroll down, you will see different kinds of recent activities on your Android device. Select My Activity button here and then you can choose easily whichever you wanna check the recent activities, whether that's on web and app activity, YouTube history, and many more. There is also some of them your recent activities. So if you want to delete it, you can simply tap on delete button and then you can select the date that is of last hour, last day, always or custom range. Let's select last hour and then if you are confirmed you can select the delete button and then you can easily delete your recent activities as well. So that's how we easily check and delete as well. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.